Hello and welcome to our channel, where today we're diving into the features of the SEDETA L-shaped gaming desk, a versatile and stylish addition to any home office or gaming setup. This reversible U-shaped desk is designed for ultimate functionality, featuring a built-in power outlet with 4 outlets and 2 USB ports, allowing you to charge up to 6 devices simultaneously, and an on-off switch for safe electricity use. With ample storage space, including 3 fabric drawers and 5-tier storage shelves, you'll have plenty of room for files, books, and even full-size printers, while the desk itself can accommodate up to 2 desktop computers and a notebook. The desk also boasts a cool and smart RGB LED light system with over 60,000 colors and 29 flashing modes, controlled via an app, and a music sync function that changes the light color with the rhythm of your favorite tunes. Perfect for small rooms, this desk offers a spacious area for writing, studying, and other home office activities, making it an ideal choice for gamers and professionals alike. Plus, the included file drawer can hold 3 sizes of documents: legal, letter, and A4, ensuring all your paperwork is neatly organized. So, whether you're looking to enhance your gaming experience or create a productive workspace, the SEDETA L-shaped gaming desk is your go-to solution for style and efficiency. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.